Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my CIT 336 class, Enhancement 9 video. This week we're to create additional thumbnails and product detail page. So in this one we'll go to our product details page, so we'll go to the rocket page. So here you can see we have the product detail page. Down here at the bottom is all the new stuff that we have. We have the thumbnails of each picture in here, and you can see that in here. So we'll go ahead and validate the page. Do the CSS first. No errors or warnings. We'll go and validate the local HTML. And you can see there's no errors or warnings. If we go back over here, we can go ahead and this page again to show you that the pictures do not exceed their amount. Let's go to the right one. You can view the images because they're not supposed to exceed 500. So you can see one thumbnail, the width and height does not exceed 500. Another one here. These are all thumbnails, and then we got the main picture here, which does not exceed that. If we go back over here to one that I know before was not that way, go to explosives, go to TNT, and go here, you can see that it has that in here. And if we go in and check this again, you see that the thumbnail does not exceed 500, and neither does the main picture, is right at 500 where it needs to be. And then let's see, we also need to show you that this page, the uploads page, which shows you where all the stuff came from. So here we can choose a product, add a picture, and then it creates two pictures of each thing here. And then the last thing is to go over here in the image table and show you that each picture is created with one picture here and then a thumbnail picture for each of the categories here. That's my video. Thank you very much.